Mr. Speaker, sir.
Mr. Brightstar, yes, please.
I would like to ask the Chief Minister, does the proposed introduction of school buses have anything to do with the stopping of public buses from plying in certain areas, like for example, Mawlai? Why I'm asking this question, because it was around this time only when this idea was mooted by the government to introduce these government buses, where these public transportation have been stopped from plying through certain areas which have really affected the people of my constituency.
Sir, this is an entirely different subject. This is regarding school buses, and this being under the planning department, that's the reason I had spoken about this subject and took up this question. The honorable member's concern is about the general bus services, which are transport department, MCC, and other departments that are handling it. So I will not have the specific information, but if this honorable MLA has got concerns, he can write to me, and definitely I will look into the matters.
Yeah.